Hey, let me show you the way I set up karaoke using these items here. If you have a TV with apps, you can use YouTube to play karaoke songs through there. Our biggest challenge is just getting your voice out of speakers, right? Well, once we get your voice ready, we can then just play the songs through the TV and sing along. So let's begin the process of getting your voice into the microphone and out through the speakers here on Simple Cafe, tutorials to the point. All right, so step one is to begin with the one thing we all know we need, which is the microphone. Your mic might have a pre-attached cable on it, and most likely the plug looks like this, called a 1/4-inch jack, which will go into this amplifier because it has a 1/4-inch mic jack. Wait for me though while I prepare my microphone called an XLR mic due to these three dots we can see here. So then this needs an XLR cable, so let me connect one. There it goes. Now looking at the other end, it's still XLR, which is not accepted by this receiver. This takes a 1/4-inch plug that we just mentioned. And that's why I'm going to bring in this adapter here, which will morph XLR to a 1/4-inch plug. So great, now my mic will connect here, but take note not to plug into a port labeled phones because that's sending audio signals out to be heard through headphones, but we're trying to send our voice in to be heard through here, a connected speaker. The correct mic plug on this model is in the back, so that's where we're going to get our bittersweet voices in through. There we go. Now our voices are ready to be amplified and pushed out through our connected speaker. I'm sure yours is already connected, but I'm starting from scratch just in case you are too. I'm using speaker wire here, which is pre-attached to this speaker, so I just got to plug the other end into the amplifier's speaker terminals. If the back of your speakers looks like this, well, you can find some speaker wire or order a new pack online. If your speaker doesn't have these terminals, well then you don't have a passive speaker but an active speaker. And that's okay because thankfully you can still follow along by plugging it into your amplifier's REC out ports, which can be rare, but this receiver does have them. Okay, with our speaker ready, we're all set. Let me prove it to you by switching on the live camera audio. All right, and I'm ready to sing. Yada yada. Let's play some music separately just directly through the TV. All right, here we go. Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby, etc. Like to help me out, share to help out others, and subscribe if you want to stay in the loop. And if you have some money you don't want, here's the YouTube thanks button. Cheers, and I hope you get connected.